Have you ever wondered where that steaming cup of hot tea comes from? It's more than just leaves in boiling water. It's a journey steeped in history, culture, and nature's finest offerings. Join us as we travel to the enchanting Nilgiri hills in southern India, home to one of the world's most prized teas, Nilgiri tea. For generations, these verdant slopes have been a cradle of tea cultivation. Rising from 1,000 to 2,500 meters above sea level, the Nilgiri hills create a unique climate, cool temperatures, abundant rainfall, and nutrient-rich soil. Here, tea isn't just a crop, it's a way of life, nurtured with care and dedication. Each tea leaf harvested in the Nilgiri region carries a story shaped by nature's rhythm. These leaves are prized for their exceptional qualities, briskness, brightness, and a distinctive floral aroma. It's this rare combination that makes Nilgiri tea truly unique, standing apart from familiar varieties like Assam and Darjeeling. The journey from leaf to cup is a meticulous craft. After being hand-picked, the leaves undergo a careful process of withering, rolling, fermenting, and drying. Each stage unlocks layers of complex flavors while preserving the tea's hallmark balance of strength and smoothness. In the Nilgiri region, tea masters dedicate their lives to mastering this intricate art. Their expertise is rooted in tradition. Honed over decades, they can judge the quality of tea from just the feel and fragrance of the leaves. Wisdom passed down through generations.
जो चाय आती है इन पत्तियों से आती है जो मेरे हाथ में जो दो हैं इसमें इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं 2 लीफ एंड अ बड एंड 3 लीफ एंड अ बड। ये जो हम लोग पत्ती है जो प्लक करते हैं हम लोग ये इसको टारगेट शूट बोलते हैं और ये वाली शूट हमको चाहिए प्लकिंग के लिए, अच्छी चाय बनाने के लिए।
चाय बनाने में बड भी काम आता है?
यस, बड भी काम आता है। इनफैक्ट इस पत्ते में आप देखोगे ये जो 2 पत्तियां हैं और ये जो बड है ये तीनों चाय में जाएंगी और ये जो स्टॉक दिख रहा है आपको वो फाइबर होकर हट जाएगा। अब ये देखिए फील्ड में ये प्लकिंग चल रही है और ये जो प्लकिंग में आप जो इम्प्लीमेंट देख रहे हैं उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं शेयर। एक्चुअली एक सिसर का एक दूसरा फॉर्म है। तो जो मैंने आप जैसे बोला 2 लीफ एंड 3 लीफ जो हम लोग प्लग करना चाहिए उसको, तो इस शेयर से हम लोग उसको प्लग करते हैं।
Nilgiri's tea taste profile is a symphony of flavors, smooth yet bold, offering a refreshing lift with every sip. Its versatility makes it a favorite for every occasion, whether enjoyed plain or infused with spices in a classic masala chai. Its bright, citrusy notes linger long after the cup is empty. While Nilgiri tea is cherished around the globe, its roots remain firmly planted in its homeland. Local communities thrive on tea cultivation, with generations depending on this cherished crop for their livelihood. It's more than just an export, it's a living heritage, sustaining families and preserving a timeless craft. As the sun sets behind the majestic Nilgiri hills, it casts a golden glow over the endless stretches of tea gardens. This enduring landscape leaves behind a sense of warmth and peace, much like the experience of savoring a perfect cup of Nilgiri tea. From these ancient hills to your cup, Nilgiri tea is more than just a beverage. It's a tale of nature's bounty, human devotion, and a legacy brewed into every sip. As I wrap up this story, the comforting aroma of a hot cup of masala Nilgiri chai beckons. Perfect to end the day and to celebrate the magic of these hills. Goodbye.